If you're wondering if you can duplicate apps on iPhone 16e, then unfortunately the answer is no. There is no built-in clone app feature that allows you to duplicate apps and use different data or separated data on the cloned version. Therefore, the only possible way to clone an app is by using another third-party app that, for example, can be found in the App Store. So over here we can search for something like clone app or something like that, and then you can try to download and use one of these apps. Unfortunately, I didn't try any of these and I cannot really recommend any of these, but you should be able to try them for free. Keep in mind that most likely we'll have ads on these apps, and just give it a try and find out if you like any of these. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!